Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Google My Business video, I'd like to talk about Google My Business verification. So if you are learning how to verify Google My Business properties, whether it's with email, whether it's a phone call, and you're trying to get a verification to pop without a postcard, I actually want to go through some of the categories that I've found success in, so hopefully it can help you with your process. So I'm literally going to go through, I've picked out a lot of the most spammy and the hardest places to go ahead and get it verified in. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's get into the list here, and I hope that it can help you. So as far as verification is concerned, I want to go down this list, and I pulled out a lot of the that were very, very hard. All right, so I'll go down this list with you. We have accountants, advertising agencies, auto repair shops, bakeries, battery inverters, blueprint services. We'll keep on going down. I want you to see this list: boat tour agency, boating instructor, bookkeeping services, building consultant. And again, these are a lot of the categories that are going to be the easiest for you to actually spring an email or a phone verification. So is a non-phone verification still possible? Yes. But as we're moving forward, it is becoming increasingly difficult, especially if you don't have the other entities set up. So some of these two are a little bit harder, but I've had some success, all right? Not all of these have I been able to verify and get a verification, by doing multiple different methods, but I have had success in a lot of these when we were able to pump them out quite frequently. So I just wanted to share this with you. Let's keep going down the list here. Commercial agent, photographer, computer consultant, corporate office, courier, daycare center, deck builder, diving contractor, dog walkers. That's a great one. Those are easy. Event planner. Anything with this, I've had success with these. That's why these are right here. Boom, boom, boom. You'll find a lot with that. Funeral homes, I've done. And again, I have taken out the categories that are truly hard. If you take a look here, these are only categories that you will be able to have more success with, depending on, do you have a website? Depending on, have you installed analytics on the website? Have you, from the Search Console, have you installed analytics, and have you verified by already having that meta description on the website? That's a big one. Do you have social profiles set up? The only time now that I've been having success is we already have a lot of the entities already in place. Psychics are on here. I've done one of those before. Sign shops, soccer clubs, solar energy company, and the list goes on here. I hope that this list has been very helpful for you. The objective here was to show you a lot of the categories that you're still able to get a verification in, all right, for Google My Business. My name is Chris Palmer. If you are interested in this list, I'm going to go ahead and give it away. I'll put it on the site. Message below if you have any questions related to Google My Business verification, ranking in map pack, the 3-pack. I mean, really, if you have any questions at all about Google My Business or anything SEO related, always feel free to go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And I certainly look forward to seeing you in the next Google My Business verification, how to verify GMB video. Have a wonderful day.